to video the pool when he's Tej. First thing. Okay, Tej is super cute but so sick, so we don't get that close to her. Yalla, so Jordan TV.
I will throw my phone in the water.
Don't throw it. Keep it in your hand. But I think it's better to put it first in here. So if it sinks,
Oh, be careful, my phone.
so if it sinks, you can get it. Tal. Hazeltina, sometimes she's afraid of your phone. Do you know that? But don't put it here.
Close to the pool.
No, don't be close to the pool.
It's a little windy.
It's a little windy. Hazel, I'm wearing the pajama.
Wait lang. We're trying to drop our phone in the water, underwater.
Okay, this is super creepy.
Yeah.
Guy looking at you.
We will see it's work or not work.
The cover is so soft.
Oh, it's wrong. We will see if work or not. Good luck to my Samsung. Yala gaga.
What will happen if it sinks?
If you see, nothing. It's bye-bye to my phone.
We'll actually find it because everything is blue.
I
and
hope. But there is no luck. I think it's gonna
float. Ah, Hazel, it's going to float. It has some air in it.
okay. We will see. So
Just yalla, Hazel. The vlogs are cheering for you, yalla. But Hazel,
now my phone.
no, don't drop it. You have to keep it in your hand.
Okay. Bye, phone. See you. Hey guys, good morning guys. Look at, hi baby, come here. Hey guys, we try to drop namin yung phone if work ba talaga or hindi. So let's do it baby. Start. You focus the camera and we will see if we get a capture underwater. So let's go guys.
But
Try.
Hazel, make it very pretty and like this. But
Okay.
Hazel, walk until
You pick
there.
away from the water
But
because
Hazel,
my iPhone.
Hazel, walk until there's a slide.
Okay, yalla, let's go. Focus on this one. One, and two, and three. Let's go. There is water, my love. Really, that's good, guys. Oh. Hindi nga siya nabasa. Pero takot talaga ako kasi para wala siyang cell dito. Dito ba, in this line, wala siyang cell. Ito lang yung pinaka-cell niya, yung pinaka-top niya. So, talagang takot po tayo. Baka sayang yung phone. Ay, mahal pa naman ang phone ngayon. Ito lang pinaka-cell niya. Oh, ito. Dapat may lock dito is like a water. Ano ba yung alam niyo parang sa ziplock yung hinahanap ko. Pero hindi, wala. Super malamig guys. So, ang gagawin namin is, ano lang naman kami ng lemon para sa aming chicken, para sa aming lunch.
Guess, is this my kid or no? Tell me in the comments.
Oh, not safe, Gaga. There is water inside.
No, this isn't. No.
Ayo.
That's water from outside.
It's inside, oh.
Ow!
Ayo.
No, there's no.
Still had the cameras on? No, careful. Wait. You go natin.
Videoing Tej? She thinks that she's ours.
Look at. Hi, baby. we try to drop namin yung phone if work ba talaga or hindi. So, let's do it, baby. Start.
Yeah.
You focus the camera and we will see if we get a capture or capture underwater. So, let's go, guys.
But
Right.
Hazel, make it very pretty and like this. But
Okay.
Hazel, walk until there.
away from the water.
But Hazel, walk until there. There's a slide, okay?
Okay, yalla, let's go. Focus on this one. One, and two, and three. Let's go.
Yalla, walk till Hazel.
There is water, my love. I think there is water.
Hazel, no, there's no water there.
No, I don't like because I'm afraid I have my phone. Yalla. We will see. There is water.
There's no. So why you are crying?
Ako talaga ako. Kasi parang wala siyang cell dito. Ano dito ba? English ba? Ito lang yung pinakasabi yung pinaka-top niya. So, malaman yung packet ko tayo. Baka sayang yung phone. Mahal ko naman ang phone. Ito lang pinakasabi yung dapat may lock dito is like a water. Yalla, let's go here, baby girl.
Wait, I'm trying to give them gold. Yalla, Why then is actually not following? Hazel, guess what? Hazel, I want some exercise. Can I jump there?
Yalla, give me the phone and you jump. This is turning off. Wow, ang haba pa. Don't shake too much, anak. Oh, yun, no. I need to jump, baby. One, two, yeah. Ang dami kasi nating need. We need more lemon, guys. We drop first in the ground. And then later on, we pick and put in the basket. Or, baby, you start to transfer inside the basket.
Ew, touch please. Touch it, please.
Nakasig, guys. Aray. My goodness. Hello.
Touch it.
I hear.
Oh. Oh.
Ay, sus.
There's something, Hazel, hold it.
Mm.
There's something with the micro.
Ayan sana, oh. Yung madami doon, kaso. Huh? Oh, yeah. Taali in the side. Slowly, baby, huh?
Can we pick some cherries? Yesterday, in the forest yesterday, all of my cherries fell in the ground at school.
Okay. Wait lang. Why? Why all? Not only one.
Hazel, my lunchbox fell.
Even
All
your
of-
sandwich?
No, because the cover.
Wait lang.
Oh, your glassy is now Tal will go and step on it and break it.
Take it, anak.
Talje.
Too high. I look at that one. That is a big part of the lemon. But I can't go there because there's a lot of spikes. So, hi-ho, hi-ho.
Enough lemon.
No, because the mulukia, again and again, mulukia our lunch. Alam niyo ba guys, wala yung mommy and daddy.
Why Mulukia?
Dito, yung dalawang bata lang.
But Hazel, don't let Karma to come and eat my Munakiria.
Okay. Why?
Because I hate her. She's not even my cousin.
Hada ho no. Look at me here. I want to pick them.
I want to pick those berries. Cherries! Cherries! Cherries. I don't like cherries. No, I want cherries. I want cherries. I want cherries. I want cherries. Hazel, I want cherries. Tell just that poster.
Your camera is too shaky, you know? You know that, baby girl? Last one! This is high. Don't, what you call this? Don't focus on my bullet. It's too high. Don't focus on my bullet. You had the focus on my bullet. Bullet is not a part of the vlogging.
It hurts. Hold on, video from here.
Nanak Sabagot na ka. I will carry you and reach this one. Wait lang. Ano yan? Naglalaro lang tayo dito? Come here. Baby girl. Ya Allah, help me, anak. Anak, yala ba? This one, oh, this big part. Stop.
Can you stop the vlogging?
Ding, 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 ding. Stop. I want to jump for this one. Hey guys, Saturday is helping day or
Guys, the cat tells, lick my pipi.
ha?
Tells, lick my ear.
Lick your ear. Anak ba gabi nastos lagi ka?
And I was watching with Halia. And then, oh guys, I need to show you.
Anak gabi nastos na lagi na.
See, everything's wet.
Ano ba yan?
And guys, tells is licking the place of the pipi.
Yan. No, you need to wash first. Wala pa rin bunga yung mga cherries, guys. Ano lang namin ni baby all the time. Anak, ulog! Anak, come here, oh. Pa isa-isa, pa kunti-kunti. Oh, kasi, that one. One time lang talaga ito nagbunga ng super madami. Yan lang.
I'm eating.
Hindi, ako na lang. Okay. And there is another one. Ayun, oh. Wala na talaga. Sira na yung mga prutas. Walang maraming, ani. Kulang ng, kulang ng nutrients yung lupa. Kaya hindi sila hindi sila nagbunga ng sagana. Kaya ganun. Since last year, wala tong bunga ng madami. Ito kasi, kung kailan nagbunga ng madami, putulin ang sanga. O yun. Paano na? Putol ang kaligayahan ng mga puno. Talaga lang si tatang kasi ito eh. Putol ang kaligayahan. Let's go there na, anak. Let's go there na, anak. First time nagbunga yung pear na madami. Next year lang. Puputulin naman ni tatang yan para hindi na bunga ng madami. Can we go outside the garden, anak?
Hey, now you have to video me jumping.
Medium thing. Ano yan? Jumping.
The trampoline.
Ay, okay. Oh, dami pa. Oh, hindi ko maabot. Ano ba yan? I'm still watching the live of Sir King. My phone at home. What is that? Kalamansi. Nanganguha na si Inday na kalamansi. Careful. Ay, ano? Uy. Here, gaga.
Kalaban mo.
Nagbunga na naman ang walnuts.
Kalamansi.
Kalamansi. Yan is a native lime in the Philippines or small kind of lemon.
Ate ko ni dalawa.
You took dalawa only?
Only small.
Okay. Ang daming cherries, guys. Oh, kung sa Pilipinas lang to, tinanggal ko na itanim doon sa sarili kong garden. I have a small kind of garden in the Philippines. Hey. We will see if they are open this or not. Why naman kasi damot naman nila amo eh. Bakit yung kasi nilak? Amo! Why you lock this one? You want we go outside, darling? Huh?
I don't want to go there.
You don't want? We will see which kind of fruit have more produce the bunga of the fruit. What is it? Apple, pears, or what? Why they don't have Or why they don't garden for... Bakit hindi sila nga nagtanim ngayon? Anong problema sa lupa? Tingga lang. Sinayang ang lupa. Nako. So, let's go na, my love. Naubos na ng birds ang white berry. White berries.
No, Hazel, I want to go jump.
Just, okay. Just 5 minutes, ah.
It's actually exercise.
Okay.
It's 1 hour.
Okay.
After the 1 5 minutes.
Wala. So, ito na yung aming, guys, dala. Yan, dala na namin yan. So, simple lang. Mga ganito lang ang buhay para may ma-upload tayo. So, yan lang.
It's so dirty. Why?
It's okay lang, ga. It's not dirty. It's from the trees, from the, yellow jump. Wala na din ang cherries dito. Nakaraan may bunga to, ah. Naubos na ng naubos na ng, tawag, ibon. Wala talaga, sayang ang cherries, Sana maitanim din ito sa Pinas ba, no? Ayan kasi buto na yan ng cherries. Or hindi pala, buto ng berry. Yung isang mulberry, ayan.
Bring your fruits inside.
No need. Wala rin bunga na marami yung
I'm going
figs.
to bring you a cupcake so
Huh?
I can eat.
Ha?
Mama's going to bring me a cupcake so I can eat because my cat ready.
We need to make a list for our stuff in the
My teeth
kitchen.
is right there.
Huh?
Because my 2 teeth is right there.
Oh,
So I
sus.
missed one of them.
Okay.
And the other two. 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 And the other two.
Parang kailan lang